The next part of the section is on exponential equations. Now, because this is an equation, both sides need to be equal. And if they have the same base, like they do here, then that means that the exponents have to be equal. So let me write some notes. Because these are the same base, we actually only care about the exponents. So I'm going to set my two exponents equal to each other, and if I solve this equation, that actually solves the original equation. So let's solve this. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides to get negative 4x, and I'm going to add 10 to both sides to get 16. So then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4, and x is equal to negative 4. And this will be my final answer. If you want to check your work, you can plug it back into both sides here, and they should be equal. With number 9, we do not have the same base. We have a 5 and we have a 125. So we want to get the same base. So I need to express 125 as 5 raised to some power. And 125 is 5 raised to the 3. So the left-hand side I'm not going to change at all. But the right-hand side, instead of writing 125, I'm going to write 5 to the 3. So I haven't changed my value, I've just changed the way it looks. And now I can set my two exponents equal to each other and solve. So x minus 1 is equal to 3, and add 1 to both sides, and x is equal to 4. And that will be my final answer.